town of Ripley, West Virginia. They got not much over here. They got a old-fashioned Kroger's, some few stores. Sitting here at the Wendy's right now. We're about an hour and a half away. It's beautiful country out here though. Beautiful. All the hills. Nice little church here. It's not bad. People are friendly for the most part. But I guess we'll have to see as we continue this journey through West Virginia. Here. Beautiful. Just down there. Apparently the bridge is 3,000 feet across. I think they said like 800, 900 feet in the air. Like, how do they even build this? The engineering. You know, I mean, just imagine the brain power and the manpower they had to use to build this. It's crazy. Let's see, those are cars down there. Comparison to how high up we are. It's crazy. It's the waterfall. Cathedral Falls. This river just over there. Look at the surroundings. It's beautiful out here. Get up closer. Beautiful area over here. Not the greatest path. Let's go. Woo.